What is going on YouTube? Josh with Cerberus, and I wanted to tell you all about the 77 Chevy Custom Deluxe that we are giving away. So a lot of you know us, Cerberus Auto Styling. We do custom vehicle builds, wraps, protection services, you name it. This is our first vehicle giveaway. So our sister company, Cerberus Collective, who make these really high quality branded t-shirts, hoodies, you name it. All of those purchases get you entries to win the 77 Custom Deluxe. So a little bit of history on the truck. This has 44,000 original kilometers on it. We got it out of Saskatchewan, did a full restoration on it. So we dry ice blasted the undercarriage, did our full undercarriage treatment, fixed all the body work, two-tone wrap, restored all the chrome, long travel kit in the front, 35s, American Racing wheels, MagnaFlow exhaust, headers. This thing's super clean. It's a great driver, perfect summer vehicle, you know, taking your girl down to the lake or heading downtown, just going for a cruise. This thing really turns heads and we want you guys to be able to take it home. So head over to our website, cerberuscollective.com. All the info is over there, but draw is December 31st. So all your purchases get you entered to win. We're gonna do the draw live December 31st, and one of you guys is going to be driving home in this thing. It's super exciting for us. We've never done the vehicle giveaways before. This is our first one, and we're really excited to be able to give such a cool vehicle away to you guys. So yeah, that's it. That's all, guys. Head over to the website, grab some gear, get entered to win this truck, tell your friends, and we will see you live December 31st. Fires right up, guys, every time. First try. Yeah, this thing's clean, you know, like this isn't some rusted out piece of garbage that we slapped a wrap on and given away. It's only got 44,000 K on it. This is kind of like one of those, rare trucks that you find and you just want to hang on to, right? The bench seat's kind of fun, cruising around in the summer. It's just a cool truck, really grabs heads. We get stopped more in this thing than we do, driving around in, the any level truck or some of the brand new 450s we've done where, you'd think those would be the big money builds, but this is a real head turner. It's always really popular. There we go. We'll try out the long travel on the train tracks. No problem. Maybe a little problem as the windshield wiper falls off. Okay, well, we'll fix that. Oh, stop sign. Whew. Where the fuck are we here? We're down here, aren't we? There we go. Nice sunny day in Calgary. Yeah, guys, we've, some of you guys have been asking about the giveaway, like how do we track the entries? Pretty much all the entries are listed on every item, right? So if you get a hoodie, you get 9 entries. If you get a t-shirt, you get 5. You do the stickers, the sticker packs. If you really want to just get those entries in, we tally all those up, and then after we close the contest, December 31st, or when it sells out, whatever sooner, that's when we will put out the list. You'll be able to go on there, check your name, make sure you're entered, and then we'll be doing the draw live there. Obviously, we want to keep this super fair. This is something we plan on doing a lot more of, so we got to give you guys that transparency throughout the drawing process, that everything's legit. When you do get the truck, you're getting keys, you're getting a title, everything signed over to you. So this is a really awesome way to win something. There's a lot of vehicle giveaways down in the States, but not a lot here in Canada. We are local to Calgary, so everything's Canadian. You don't have to worry about importing, bringing anything across the border. This thing is registered in Alberta, good to go. So yeah, should be a good one for you.